Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So this is Thalapathy Vijay's birthday month, and so we are starting with reaction on a special mashup 2020.
Yes, so this is the first birthday special mashup we are reacting today, and yes, this kind of mashups will coming up.
Right, a
one
lot
by
of
one
mashup
in
will
this
come.
month
So
only.
we have planned to start with this mashup.
With this mashup because I think a lot of you have suggested to
Yes.
give reaction on this mashup.
Yes.
So it is looking very nice actually, and yes, we are very much excited for Thalapathy Vijay's birthday.
And also this
And,
mashup is released by Manzoor Rashid.
Manzoor Rashid,
Yes.
22 hours ago. So
Yes.
just you can
Yesterday
say
only.
yesterday only.
Yes.
So yes, so we are very much excited, and let's get started. But before that, if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the notification bell. So chalo, झट से let's get started.
Yes.
Rajni sir.
Here comes.
Wow, the birthday boy.
Okay.
Outstanding.
See this craze.
Proud.
Wow. And this music.
Yes.
This is, I think, one of the favorite music of everybody.
Everybody, yeah. Nice, man.
Mm.
Sister.
That is very bad.
She told after that only he became silent. His physique and everything is like well fit, right?
அதுக்கப்புறம் நான் ரசிகன் நம்பினேன் அந்த படமும் எனக்கு கை வரல இனி வரைக்கும் ரசிக்கணும் புரட்சி தலைவர் எம்ஜிஆர் அவர்களுக்கு அப்புறம் ரஜினி சாருக்கு அப்புறம் எனக்கு தெரியும் திறமைக்கும் தன்னம்பிக்கைக்கும் முகம் தேவை உலகத்துக்கு நீ யாருன்னு இன்னொரு தடவை
Everyone is talking about him.
Yes.
Wow. I really like this beat with all of the scenes.
Master.
Master.
Your accents. Bigel.
Wow.
King of Hollywood.
King only. Superb, man.
Wow. Oh, super.
ஒரு மன்னர் கரெக்டா இருந்தா ஒரு தலைவன் கரெக்டா ஸ்ட்ராங்கா நல்லவனா இருந்தா ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்கா அந்த கட்சி ஒரு நல்ல கட்சியா இருக்க போது
Income tax department raided Tamil actor Vijay's Chennai residence on Wednesday.
வேற வழியே இல்லை அதெல்லாம் தாண்டி தான் நம்ம வந்தா kill them with your success, bury them with your smile.
That is good.
என்னுடைய பிறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
எல்லாம் கொடுத்துட்டு என் நண்பா ஃப்ளாப்
அந்த விமர்சனங்கள்லாம் எப்படியும் இவர் ஏற்றுப்பார் அப்படின்ற விஷயங்கள்லாம் பார்த்துருக்கேன். பட் ஃபேண்டாஸ்டிக் க்ரோத் ஆஃப் அன் ஆக்டர்.
பிளாக் பஸ்டரு
கொஞ்சம் அங்கே பாருங்கள்.
நல்ல மூஞ்சி நல்ல மூஞ்சி
Wow. They have covered everything, each and every movie, I think
yes,
so.
Yes.
Friends.
Each and every movies, each and every scenes, important scenes.
Wow.
Outstanding, man. The shots are iconic.
Yeah.
మొత్తం 10 పేరు ఎదుర్తానా
Thanos.
வீரன் 10 பேர் சேர்ந்து ஒருத்தனை எதிர்த்தா அவன் தலைவன்
தலைவன்கிறது நாம தேடி போற விஷயம் இல்ல, நம்ம தேடி வர விஷயம். உங்களை கூப்பிடுறாங்க, அவங்களுக்கு தலைவனா கூப்பிடுறாங்க.
Talaiva.
எல்லாத்துக்கு மேல எனக்கு ஒன்று நான் உயிரை கொடுத்த ஒரு கூட்டம் இருக்கு. கொரோனா நிவாரணத்துக்கு நடிகர் விஜய் 1,50,00,000 நன்கொடையாக கொடுத்துள்ளார். இதுதான் நம்ம சர்க்கார்.
This charming
ஒரு ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் இருந்தாங்க, ஒன்னா படிச்சுட்டு இருந்தாங்க. அதுல ஒருத்தருக்கு மட்டும் ஒரு பெரிய ஆக்டர் ஆகணும் அப்படிங்கிறது ஆசை. நம்மள வந்து ரசிகர்கள் ஏத்துப்பாங்களா, என்னைக்காச்சும் ஒரு நாள் ஒரு அவார்டு அது கிடைக்குமா? இன்னைக்கு
அதே மேகசின் வந்து கவர் பேஜுக்கு நீ படிச்ச ஸ்கூல்ல நான் ஹெட் மாஸ்டர்
எதிர்ப்பு எங்க இருக்குதோ அங்க சிக்ஸர் அடிச்சுட்டு சென்டர்ல சேர போட்டு உட்கார்றதுனால நம்ம பழக்கமே.
சார் என்ன எதுக்காக கூட்டிட்டு வந்திருக்கீங்க? என்னையா என்ன பேர்
அரசியல் ஆட்டம்னா
Sarkar.
I'm waiting. That's this one.
Wow.
Wow.
Very
Come on. Yes.
பின்னாடி ஒரு ஆணோ ஒரு பொண்ணோ இருப்பாங்கன்னா, ஆனா எனக்கு பின்னாடி
Sangeeta.
So
Wow, man.
He
In his
made it,
name
yes.
only, it is there. Victory.
Right.
Vijay. Vijay means
Seriously,
victory
he's-
only. His
he's
name
king of
only.
Kollywood.
He's the king, and like I really like the mashup they have covered.
Yes, sir.
Each and
Rashid,
every important
this guy
scenes.
Rashid, he has mashed up everything.
He has done a great
Yes.
job. Okay.
Each and every movie,
Each and every
means
movie.
main part
Main
from
parts.
each and every movie he has mashed up.
So the scenes
that's
of the movies
outstanding
also, so each and every scenes also are iconic only.
right. And
Whichever scenes we saw,
Right.
it is the best mashup ever. We have
I think
seen it on our channel.
he has covered everything from since birth, I think.
Birth.
Yes.
Ah.
When he was young also, since that time.
It has covered that
everything,
time also.
everything
Yes,
he has
correct.
covered.
Everything,
like
like his
child.
personal life also they have covered,
Yes.
like the sister's death and everything.
Yes, right.
After that, the flops also he has covered, the hit also, the victory. Everyone is talking
Everything,
about
everything.
him. Everything he has covered, and that is the fantastic job he has done
Right.
to create this mashup, because it is the perfect mashup. You can say everything is there.
Yes.
Everything.
I
The
really
complete
like that.
package. Yes, I really like. We
And
really
also,
like it.
And also going forward, we'll get some more great
Great
mashups.
mashups,
So
yes.
we
We
have
are
the
eagerly
plan to
waiting.
give our reaction on those two.
Ah.
So each and
So
every
we have
mashup we will get.
special plans.
We will give our reaction.
Correct. So we have special plans also for Talapati Vijay's birthday.
Yes.
So we will be not revealing that thing, but yes, something is there. We'll be like doing on our channel. So stay tuned for that.
Yes.
And yes, we are very happy, feeling very happy to see
Right.
this mashup. It is like outstanding. The music well synced.
Everything,
They have
everything,
put
yeah.
the famous that
Yeah,
that music
that
was there.
too much famous.
My
And I think
goodness.
most of the Talapati Vijay's videos and or you can say movies. The song or music is too much iconic.
Actually the music selection of each and every movies of Talapati
Yes.
Vijay sir is like has another level.
Right.
It has another level. Nobody can
Absolutely.
touch that level. Okay, he is
Yes.
the king, so nobody is there as per the acting and as per the attitude he is having,
Yes.
and also as per the movie content, the
Yes.
content or
And
the
and
music
also
basis
according
also.
to his personality, those
Yeah.
music suits him a lot.
A lot. Master movie, we are eagerly waiting. We saw right in the halls, people are getting crazy when the
Yes.
scenes were like coming in. Marcel movie or
Yes.
some movie was there.
Yes, a lot of the
We
movies
are
is
like
there.
we have planned to go for Master movie first day first show. So
I think
we
for
have a
Master
plan.
also maybe there will be some announcement on his birthday.
On his
I don't
birthday.
know.
हाँ, हो
Maybe
सकता है, हो ही
that,
सकता है.
that is a great day for him also and
Yes.
for us also.
Because now lockdown slowly it is like getting down, the things are getting better now, so maybe they can announce. We are waiting, actually we are very much waiting to see Master movies trailer, first
And also
look
it's good that
trailer.
it will release in Hindi as well.
In Hindi as well. That is a great thing,
news
for us, for North Indians, okay?
Yes.
Because we North Indians always like to see, Vijay sir acting, and his, personality is superb. We are, learning a lot of things from him.
Yes.
Not
and
acting.
Only
but
one thing
also
we will miss in that Hindi dubbed his voice.
his voice.
Yes.
Yes.
Hindi dubbed, I think some other people will do.
But we have heard Vijay sir, talking in Hindi also in some of
Yes.
the movies. So
Tupaki.
that is, very cute. That is very cute, yeah. And yes, he's multi-talented. And what to say? Like, we will be not, finish off if we will be like starting off talking about
He
Vijay
has covered
sir.
everything.
Has
Everything in this mashup, dance or action. Mostly I have seen actions, and action was also well synced in this mashup.
Now in mashups also, like somebody was telling, I think Surya sir or someone, that he's a great dancer. I
Yes,
cannot
of course.
dance like him.
We have seen his dances as well.
Dance, singing,
Everything.
and acting, what not. He is a complete package of full talent. भगवान ने दिया है
that's
ना,
true.
मतलब भगवान ऐसे इंसान को बनाया है, भगवान बहुत टाइम लगा के बनाए होंगे, I think. क्योंकि ये बहुत talented इंसान है. Seriously, we are very
And
proud
also
of him.
most important thing is that he's too much decent.
He's decent.
Yes.
That is the thing actually. He's a very calm, polite personality.
Yes.
And वो है सबसे आगे. That is
Right.
above all. That you are a very good personality.
Yes.
After that, you are actor, singer, dancer, and every good thing.
He's also hero of poor people's
Poor
also.
people also. Yes.
He is always there to support
Yeah,
each and every
भगवान करे-
needy people.
Correct. भगवान करे ये बहुत अच्छे से रहे. God bless him. And yes, we have a lot of plan for his birthday. We are very excited, guys. Equally excited. I know that you guys are also excited for his birthday. We are also.
I think in Chennai or Tamil Nadu, a lot of celebration has
we
already
have,
started.
has already started.
But
Maybe.
there will be this time it will be a bit tough due to lockdown or due
Yeah.
to corona.
Yes,
But
yes.
there will be absolutely no doubt that it will be a grand celebration.
Yes. And one more thing, do you know that his actual name is Joseph Vijay only?
Oh, is it?
Yes, it is written here also, and I also knew that thing. Actually, people have already told
Okay.
in the comment section. I think you have missed that. A lot of
Okay.
people have told that his actual name is Joseph Vijay something.
Chandrasekhar.
Joseph Vijay Chandrasekhar. Yes.
Okay.
So he is popularly known as Vijay, but his name is that one only. So
Okay.
that is very cool.
Yeah, and I like that Vijay only.
Vijay is that is the icon, right? Icon and a symbol, victory.
Yes.
So yes, we are very happy today to see this, masterpiece. It is a masterpiece.
That's true.
Manzoor Rashid has created.
Yes.
So he has done a fabulous job, and extremely proud of him.
Yes.
Okay, so yes, this is it for today's video. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Mr. Master, and he is commenting on Master Andhakanna Pataka lyric reaction, and he is commenting Master is a pan-Indian film. It will be released in Hindi also.
Yes,
That we
have
already know
got
that.
news
And we are
it's
very happy to
for that.
know that yes, it is in will be released in Hindi also, because we really want to see movies in Hindi. Okay, we prefer that thing actually. So yes, we are very happy for that, and thank you for letting us know this thing.
Yes.
Thank you for watching and for commenting on our videos.
So the next comment for today is from Naresh Kumar, and he is commenting on Pushpa poster reaction. He is saying that he is God gifted actor Jai Allu Bhai waiting for Pushpa. Yes, we are also waiting for Pushpa.
There are a lot of movies are there in the waiting list, but
Right,
because of this lockdown,
and due to this lockdown, we missed a lot of great movies.
great matlab movies are there actually. So Pushpa is one of them, and we are also eagerly waiting. Allu Arjun sir is a superb actor, and really we are also waiting. He is a God gifted actor. You are very true. Thank you so much, Naresh Kumar, for letting us know this thing and for commenting on our videos. If you have any information when the Pushpa movie will be released, you can definitely let us know. We are really eager to waiting for this. So thank you. So the third comment for today's video is from Rebin Varghese, and he is commenting on Penguin official trailer reaction. He is telling look like another version of Ratsasan. Yes,
that's
you are true. We also told the same thing.
We are
because
also thinking the same
here
thing
also some
lot of suspense,
lot of thriller
lot of
and
thriller is
killing
there,
and
yes.
all, psycho killing and all. So
That's
it is too much similar, and you can say that same thrill we can see in this movie
and
also.
music
So,
also played a
very
great
good.
part in this trailer.
Icon, man. We are eagerly waiting to see the movie 19th of
that's true.
June. So thank you so much, Riven, for commenting and for watching our video. So these are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers and who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.